Help me out to bring these ladies down on stage, please. We really appreciate it, because I'm almost getting a heart attack, Please, if somebody can help me out to take the ladies down on stage, please. We really appreciate it so much. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so thank you, MSC family, right now. The organizing and the DJing, stop the music. This is something important. I think it's great. Right now, the next presentation, the next